How to add location on Instagram in 2022. Create location on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add your very own location to any posts that you have or you are uploading on Instagram. And it's very simple. It's the easiest thing to do out there on Instagram, and I'm going to show you in the easiest, quickest, and most simplest steps right now. So without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it. All I need you to do is lay back, relax, and listen to all of my instructions till the end of the video, and I guarantee you that by the end you're going to properly know how to add location to your posts. So, and just know that this can be done on your mobile phone and your laptop, as I'm doing right now. So just follow the steps I do, same on your mobile phone, and it's just going to be very easy. So you're going to go to your Instagram, and once you're on your Instagram, obviously if you're on your laptop, you're going to click on create, and once you do that, you can create a new post. But if you're on your phone, obviously you're going to have a prompt down here where it shows a plus from where you can add a post. So once you do that, you're going to select any photo you have from your computer. So let's say I select this, and you can select any photo from your mobile phone. And once you do that, you're going to click on next. You can obviously change the filters if you want, that's on you. And once you do that, you're going to come here, you're going to write your caption if you want to, you're going to check the accessibility, whatever, check the advanced settings. Up here it says add a location. Now over here you can add any, if you're on your let's say phone or a mobile phone, you can just turn on location and it's going to automatically put a location up here. But if you're on your laptop, all you need to do is you can just put in any place. So let's say I put in Beverly Hills. So you can see it puts in Beverly Hills like that. And all you need to do is just going to click on it, and it's going to completely paste the link over here. And once you post or you share your post, what's going to happen is it's going to start showing the location up here on the top. So that is how simple and easy it is to add a location to your Instagram or your Instagram posts in 2022. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make them for you ASAP. If you have any queries related to this video, let me know that as well, and I'll help you as soon as I can. But yeah, until then, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And share this video as much as you can. But yeah, that's all from me. I hope you all keep having a great day, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.